Enjoy unstoppable Wi-Fi for all the family with Nokia Wi-Fi beacons, no matter where you are in the home. It's easy to install it yourself. Here's how. First, download the Nokia Wi-Fi mobile app. Scan the QR code at the bottom of your beacon. Then, connect the beacon to your modem with an Ethernet cable. Now you can connect the power plug and switch it on. The app will tell you when the beacon is ready, and the LED on the beacon turns blue-green. Create an account to access your network remotely, and your first beacon is all set. For corner-to-corner coverage, you can add more beacons around your home. To do this, click Network and then the plus sign. The app will then help you identify the right position for your beacon and test the signal in the new location to ensure you have the best connection. With the second beacon in place, scan the QR code underneath it and plug it in. It will then connect to the first beacon and reconfirm that it has a good connection. You can always reposition the beacon if needed. Finally, you can give the beacon a name, like the name of the room it is installed in, for example. Don't forget, you can install a third beacon to extend the coverage even further. And there's an alternative way to set up additional beacons. First, click Connect with Ethernet and select your beacon. Next, plug in your third beacon and connect its WAN port to the LAN port of the first beacon with an Ethernet cable. Once its LED light turns blue-green, you can disconnect the third beacon from the first, power it off, and place it in the room you want to use it. Power on the third beacon, and when it's up and running, it will show the blue-green LED once again. And that's it. You now have a complete Wi-Fi network where everyone can enjoy their favorite apps and devices right where they need them.